We are at Husell Car Wash, Husell gas station in Columbus, Ohio.
Welcome to True North. Please place your vehicle in neutral, then enter your wash code and press enter. Or to pay by cash, press the B button.
9 1 8 1 8.
Thank you for purchasing our premium wash. Please place your vehicle in neutral and do not brake or try to steer. Then press the green start button. Your vehicle in neutral and do not brake or steer. Press the green start button and enjoy your true clean wash.
He comes so Look, where's your phone, Dad? Now come the clock, Dad.
Yeah.
Wow, Dad.
Wow, Mark.
That's the car wash, Dad.
We're in the car wash, Mark.
There is progresses. Become progresses. Whoa, washing up. Whoa, progresses, Dad.
Yes, Mark.
There's a bubble on your mommy car.
Wash mommy's car.
Well, doing a back. Yay! Hit his drivers, Dad. Become the dryers. There's a car wash back here, Dad.
Yep.
Green light. Now go now. That is Husell Car Wash at Husell gas station in Columbus, Ohio. Thanks for watching.